this segment, we're going to cover how to use the intranet training and assistance built right into the DBO Vault. Here we are on the home page of the Vault. One of the sites in the primary navigation, far off to the right, is the Training and Support site. Let's visit that site by clicking on this link. The support site is designed to provide several different types of assistance as you learn more about the intranet and move through your own learning curve. First and foremost is the DBO Vault user training. This training is composed of a series of brief videos, most of which are about 5 minutes in length. The curriculum is broken into 3 parts, as you can see by the changes in the colors of the icons adjacent to the title of each video. The green dots represent the training for how to be a visitor of the intranet. Regardless of whether you are a site owner or a contributor, you should watch these videos first because everything builds on this initial training. These videos will teach you how to navigate the environment, find the documents and information you need, and how to stay informed about the things that matter to you. It also includes a very important tour of the Vault and also a detailed tour of the typical group or team site. The next series, represented with the blue icons, is the curriculum for being a contributor in a site. Virtually everyone that can enter the Vault will be a contributor somewhere, typically in the group or team site they work in. These videos will go beyond the first series by teaching you how you can contribute to libraries, edit documents, add calendar events or announcements, and much more. Again, the focus here is teaching you how to become an active contributor in the sites where you are allowed to do so. The last group, with the red icons, is the training to be a site owner. Site owners can do everything a visitor and contributor can do, but in addition, they can enhance their lists and libraries, create new ones, and much, much more. Clicking any one of these icons or program titles should open the video in Windows Media Player. This will allow you to watch the video in the Media Player while you can still see the DBO Vault in your browser. This was done on purpose to allow you to watch the video and pause it while you actually try what it's showing you in your browser. All of the videos have sound, and you'll either need speakers or a headset to view them effectively. Watching this series of videos, in the order they appear here, will deliver the core training that covers what most people do with a SharePoint intranet on a regular basis. The benefit of providing this training as a sequence of short videos is twofold. First, it means that you can take the training based on your schedule and the time you have available. You can watch a few videos, stop at any time, and pick up where you left off when you have more time. Second, it means that whenever you need a quick reminder, you only need to watch an individual brief video segment to get just the information you need. If you need a quick reminder about how to set up an alert, edit a document, or even create a library, all you need to do is to watch the appropriate video as a refresher. This approach gives you the ability to get just the information you want, when you need it, any time of the day or night. After you've gone through the training, there are 2 ways you can quickly reach any video for a quick reminder. The first is to visit this page, read through the curriculum, and click on the segment you want to view. The other way is to use the search function built into the top of the home page of the support site. This search box searches the current site, in this case the support site. Or you could use the search box on the home page of the DBO Vault. This search box will search the entire DBO Vault, including the support site. When you search here, which is probably the most popular search box in the Vault, you will get a lot of results. Adding the word I assist to your search can effectively limit the results to just the training videos. Going back to the support site, I want to draw your attention to some additional resources that go beyond the training. Over on the right-hand side is a group of links that put all of these additional resources in one convenient spot. The first link is Unique Problem or Discovery. This link is to the Intranet Training Discussion Board, where you can post a question that can be answered by either power users in your intranet or members of the IT staff. You can also add an alert to your question so that you can be automatically notified when someone replies in response to one of your posts. The next link is Request a New Video. This will open a form allowing you to create a new entry in the Video Requests list. The purpose of this list is to accumulate requests for new videos covering additional topics. Please note that this is not an ordering system, and submitting a request does not guarantee that a video will be created. After that, we have the Training Evaluation link. This link opens a short form that will allow you to evaluate the video training program or report a problem with a specific video. Last, but certainly not least, is a link to the intranet governance plan. This document isn't just about how to do things, but rather a set of operational and managerial guidelines designed to maximize the intranet's effectiveness. You might think of this as the CC&Rs for the DBO Vault. Below the key training links is an area of intranet definitions. If you ever hear a SharePoint word or phrase that you don't immediately understand, odds are you'll find it in this short list. The intranet training site is designed to grow with your organization as its intranet and support requirements mature. And that's all there is to getting help with your intranet.